Good afternoon to everyone. I hope I'm audible. Can I have one or two reply on the chat? Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's start with some basics of why do we need quality. So today's topic is how to pick quality stocks. Okay, which will give good returns in the upcoming future. So first of all, quality का रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? कोई भी स्टॉक हम लोग को क्यों देखना चाहिए कि क्वालिटी है कि नहीं, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले तो whenever we do something, okay, so first of all we always lots of if is my voice clear to everyone? Is there any disturbance on the background? Because a person on the chat is saying there is some disturbance. Is the voice clear? Most of us are not having such problems. Mr. Daksh, please look at your end. Okay. Okay. Most of them are not having some problem, not having any problem. Okay. So I'm going to start now. Okay. So सबसे पहला question है कि why do we need quality? Question number 1. And if there is a problem with voice, you can increase the voice at your end, sir. Still, I am going full voice. Now it's full. It's at the highest. So I hope the voice is clear now, Mr. Dharmesh. Okay. So let's continue now. First of all, why do we need quality? Number 1, the question should be कि हमें quality का दरकार क्या है, ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले हम कुछ भी करते हैं, whenever we start something new, okay, what do? We first of all ask someone who is experienced in the field to take some knowledge from him that how it should be done or how should I move forward with something. End of the day, stock market is a business, okay? So whenever you start something new or you start a business, you first of all ask someone who is experienced in that field. And the field, it does not matter whether it is China, USA or Japan, okay, or India. The matter is that the business should be same. So stock market सब जगह है, तो हमें जानना चाहिए कि सबसे पहले जो इस फील्ड का एक्सपीरियंस आदमी है और जिसने सक्सेसफुली पैसा कमाया है, उससे हम लोग को जानना चाहिए कि हाउ हैज ही बीन थ्रू हिज जर्नी. Okay, so as per me and as per most of us in the group, I think Warren Buffett is the one of the most successful investors in this world right at this point of time. Okay, so उन्होंने अपने सारे इंटरव्यूज में, in his all his interviews and his articles about him, he has mentioned about buying quality, ठीक है? And not only has he mentioned about buying quality, he has also informed us that how to buy quality. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि क्वालिटी क्या है? Most of us are not having such issues. Mr. Bibhas Banerjee, please check out your issue. Check it out at your end. Okay. Okay. So Warren Buffett is the most successful investor, and he has always said कि हमें क्वालिटी बाय करनी चाहिए, और उन्होंने ये बताया भी है कि हमें क्वालिटी क्यों बाय करनी चाहिए. ओके, एंड उन्होंने बताया कि हमें क्वालिटी कैसे पिक करनी है, ये भी उन्होंने क्लियरली अपने एनुअल रिपोर्ट में बताया, व्हिच इज अ पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट. ऑल ऑफ अस शुड नो दैट एनुअल रिपोर्ट इज अ पब्लिक डॉक्यूमेंट. सो सबसे पहले क्वालिटी का फीचर्स क्या होती है, व्हाई डू यू नीड अ क्वालिटी स्टॉक इन योर पोर्टफोलियो. नंबर 1, आई होप माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल. Can I have a few reply on the chat? Is the screen visible? There is it's a nifty chart. Yes. Okay, so you can see this marks on the screen, these green lines. Okay, most of us would understand that these green lines are those places when the market has given a correction from minimum 5 to 30%. Okay, so ये जो areas हैं that have been marked on the screen, यहाँ पे मोटा मोटी 5 to 30% का correction हुआ है निफ्टी में, और ये निफ्टी का मंथली चार्ट है. ओके, सो क्वालिटी यहाँ पे आपको बचाती है और तेजी में आपको रिटर्न भी देती है। ये होता है क्वालिटी का सबसे अच्छा फीचर। मार्केट में कैपिटल कंजर्वेशन इज द नंबर 1 रूल। अगर आपने वॉरेन बफेट का वीडियोस देखा होगा या उन्हें फॉलो किया होगा, उनका रूल नंबर 1 है नेवर लूज मनी इन द मार्केट्स। सो हाउ डू यू नॉट लूज मनी इन द मार्केट, और हाउ डू यू लूज लेस मनी इन द मार्केट देन द होल मार्केट? मतलब जब निफ्टी गिरती है 30%, when the nifty falls by 30%, how do you design your portfolio such that your portfolio falls by 15%, 10% or 20%, or maybe you do not lose at all? ठीक है, इसका एक तरीका है। ठीक है, तो क्वालिटी का दरकार क्या है? ये जो आपको दिख रहे हैं लाइन स्क्रीन में, these lines that are visible on the screen, ये बता रही हैं कि मार्केट यहाँ पे बहुत जोर जोर से गिरा है, वो भी विद इन अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे आपका पोर्टफोलियो शुड नॉट सी अ वेरी हाई ड्रॉडाउन। एंड ऑफ द डे मार्केट ऑल्सो वर्क्स ऑन साइकोलॉजी। अगर आपको अच्छे स्टॉक्स बाय करने के बाद भी 40%, 50% का फॉल दिखता है ना, तो आपकी साइकोलॉजी ये हो जाएगी कि मार्केट में पैसा बनता नहीं, जो बहुत लोग के साथ हिस्ट्री में हुआ होगा। Some of us who have been in markets for 15 to 20 years, they would understand what I am trying to say. ठीक है, सो एंड ऑफ द डे आपका पोर्टफोलियो ऐसा होना चाहिए कि when the market rises, your portfolio rises more or less more than the market. Most of the time this feature should be there कि मैंने जब क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स बाय किया है तो मेरा रिटर्न शुड बी at par and more than the markets. But when the market falls, my returns must be less than the market. That means अगर मार्केट 30% से गिर रही है तो मेरा पोर्टफोलियो शुड फॉल बाय 25, 20 और 15%। ओके, 0% बहुत ही एक्सट्रीम हो जाएगा, हो सकता है, लेकिन लेट्स टॉक अबाउट जनरल सिनेरियो। जनरली आपको 10 to 15% से बाजार को बीट करना है। ठीक है, ये हम लोग का टेस्टिंग किया हुआ है। वी हैव टेस्टेड दिस दैट इफ यू बाय क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स, देन during these falls you can beat the markets by 10 to 15%. Okay, so let's first look at how to pick quality. First of all, I have just set the stage about why do you need quality. In short, we can say that quality helps you to preserve your capital and multiply it. अगर कैपिटल प्रिजर्व हो जाएगा और कंपनी ग्रो करेगा, ऑटोमेटिकली आपका कैपिटल शूट अप कर जाएगा। ठीक है, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस हु if they follow Warren Buffett, they know his famous line that compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. So what does he mean by that? He means that आपको continue to hold good stocks. Don't look at the screen that 100% return आ रहा है, मैं profit book कर लेता हूँ. If you are seeing 100, 200% returns on the screen, most of us would have seen if they would have invested over here on August or May or June, they would have seen 100 or they must be seeing 100, 200, 300%. Don't book like that. प्रॉफिट देख के बुक करेंगे तो प्रॉफिट नहीं आएगा, सिर्फ रिटर्न्स आएगा, वो भी कुछ देर के लिए रहेगा और वो वाइप ऑफ हो जाएगा व्हेन यू अगेन इन्वेस्ट एट हाइस। सो अगर आपने अच्छा भाव पे घुसे हैं मार्केट में अच्छे स्टॉक्स में, देन होल्ड देम, डोंट एग्जिट अनलेस एंड अंटिल you need money for some emergency purposes or for some big expenses that are upcoming in your life. Okay, so let's look at what is quality as defined by Mr. Warren Buffett and his team. Okay, so this is the annual 2017 annual report of Berkshire Hathaway, and we are just going to look at few points and then we will move on to how to pick quality and how we have made it easy for people in the market कि कैसे क्वालिटी पिक करना है। हमने वो चीज को बहुत ही आसान बनाया है। ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फर्स्ट लाइन में लिखा गया है लार्ज परचेजेस which have at least $75 million of pre-tax earnings. So in our markets we can say that companies जिसका market cap 1000 करोड़ या उसके ऊपर है, generally वो companies we can say that there are okay companies. By large companies, if you go in Indian markets, then it's preferably in the large and mid cap segment. जिन लोग को पता नहीं है large and mid cap क्या होता है, जो भी इंडिया में जितने भी listed companies हैं, ठीक है, मार्केट कैप क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स इनटू शेयर प्राइस। तो मार्केट कैप अभी जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल टीसीएस का या रिलायंस का देखेंगे तो दे आर हैविंग द हाईएस्ट मार्केट कैप इन इंडिया। सो अगर आप मार्केट कैप वाइज रैंक कर देंगे हाईएस्ट टू लोएस्ट एंड द टॉप 250 कंपनीज, ओके, टॉप 250 कंपनीज जिसका सबसे ज्यादा वैल्यू है इंडियन एनएससी लिस्टेड मार्केट में, तो वो जो टॉप 250 कंपनीज है उसको हम लोग लार्ज एंड मिड कैप बोलते हैं. सो बाय दैट, if you want to get an interpretation of point number 1 in Indian markets, so prefer to look into those companies that are either large cap or mid cap. Okay, जो भी कंपनीज लार्ज कैप या मिड कैप कहलाती हैं इंडियन मार्केट्स में, पॉइंट नंबर 1 को आप ये समझ लीजिए कि वो कंपनीज में हमें इन्वेस्ट करनी है जो इधर लार्ज कैप है और मिड कैप है. ओके, स्मॉल कैप में भी जा सकते हैं, लेकिन फॉर नाउ लेट्स टेक एज लार्ज एंड मिड कैप. नंबर 2, demonstrated consistent earning power. Consistent earning power मतलब profit growth या EPS growth हो रही है continuously for the last 4 to 5 years. Okay, and he has clearly mentioned that future projections, Redmi K20, what I am doing is I am speaking the same thing in Hindi and English parallelly. So what I am saying in Hindi, if you do not understand it, I am also repeating it in English. So I think the webinar will be easy for those who understand Hindi more properly, and those people also who understand English. Okay, so what I am speaking, I am repeating in Hindi and in English. So I hope that people from both the categories understand what I am trying to say. Okay, they are not going to miss out on anything. जो लोग हिंदी समझते हैं उनको भी मैं बता रहा हूँ, और जो इंग्लिश समझते हैं उनको भी मैं बता रहा हूँ पॉइंट्स. मैं कोई भी पॉइंट ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ जो मैं सिर्फ हिंदी या सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, सो अगेन जस्ट कंक्लूजन ऑफ पॉइंट नंबर 1. Point number 1 is focus on large and mid cap categories in the Indian market. Large and mid cap categories are those companies who have the top 250 highest market cap. Market cap means number of shares of the company into the market price. If you multiply that, then you get the market cap of the company. Okay. Point number 2, consistent earnings growth. That means if you look into the balance sheet, or if you check out any website, you will get to know what is EPS. EPS is earnings per share. If you don't understand EPS, just think about it as profits. Consistently profit grow करनी चाहिए. There should be a consistent growth in profits. Okay. Point number 3 is business earning goods return on equity while employing little or no debt. That means कि अगर आप एफडी में पैसा लगाते हैं, इफ यू इन्वेस्ट अमाउंट इन फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट, राइट नाउ द फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट रेट मस्ट बी रेंजिंग बिटवीन 5.5 to 6.5% डिपेंडिंग ऑन द बैंक. सो इफ यू इन्वेस्ट 1 lakh rupees in a bank FD, what will happen after 1 year? You will get 6,500 or 5,500 depending what the interest rate is that is being offered by the banks. ठीक है, अगर आप अभी 1 लाख रुपया लगाएंगे तो आपको 5,500 से 6,500 अभी एफडी रेट चल रहा है. ठीक है, ये आपको मिलेगा. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड योर रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी. ठीक है, आपका जो कैपिटल आप लगाते हैं उस पे आप कितना कमाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी. द अमाउंट दैट यू गेट आफ्टर इन्वेस्टिंग योर ओन मनी इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी. सो कंपनी का भी एक रिटर्न ऑन इक्विटी होता है. अगर आप एफडी में 6% 7% कमा ही रहे हैं, देन यू नीड टू, because stock market is a risky affair, so you need to earn more than the fixed deposit rate that is being offered by the company, by the banks. So we say that you should at least earn 2 to 2.5 times of the bank FD. If you multiply them by 2 or 2.5 times, you get a figure of approximately around 15. So the company should have a return on equity of 15. That means if company invests 100 rupees in its business, it should earn 15 rupees at the year end. Is the concept of return on equity clear to everyone? अगर आप 100 रुपया अपने बिजनेस पे लगा रहे हैं, तो you should earn at least rupees 15 by the end of the year. You should have 115 in your bank account. Is this point of ROE clear to everyone? Can I have a few reply in the chat? May I have a few reply on the chat? Okay, thank you Rajat ji. ROE का मतलब है कि what do you earn on your own capital, as simple as that. कुछ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी नहीं है, एकदम सिंपल चीज है. आपको कितना मिल रहा है आपके कैपिटल के ऊपर. ठीक है. सेकेंड पॉइंट है लिटिल और नो डेट. देखिए प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, जो कोविड में भी हुआ था. अगर आपके पास लोन है, मतलब अगर आपने बैंक से लोन लिया हुआ है, तो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है आपको लोन पे करने में, क्योंकि due to COVID, some of us over here may have lost their jobs, or they would have seen a salary cut. So what happens if a company has very high debt? Okay, then when there is a scenario of uncertainty, like it was in March, like it was in 2008 and 2000, at those times everything is haywire, and at that time if the company has a debt of a very high debt, like Reliance had, if you look at the 2019 balance sheet of Reliance ka debt was reasonably high. Okay, not very high but reasonably high. That is why as soon as the COVID came, Mukesh Ambani became very active and he reduced his debt by going through various schemes, like he approached various hedge funds and people like Silver Lake. They all invested in his company. So the company should have little or no debt. So what do we interpret it as? We interpret it as a debt equity of 0.3 to 1. Okay, डेट इक्विटी रेशियो क्या होता है? कंपनी का लोन कितना है, कंपनी का इक्विटी कितना है. इक्विटी का मतलब ओनर्स कैपिटल. ओके, आपका रुपया को इक्विटी बोलेंगे, आपने जो लोन लिया है उसको हम लोग डेट बोलेंगे. So if we look at a person or an individual, if he has rupees 100, Mr. Hiramat, I think my voice is audible to everyone. Please check at your end. Okay. So डेट इक्विटी क्या होता है, डेट इक्विटी रेशियो क्या होता है? ठीक है, अगर आपके पास 100 रुपया है, if you have 100 rupees in your bank account and if you have taken a loan of 50 rupees from say HDFC Bank, so total capital total balance in your bank account will be rupees 150. Okay, 50 rupees as a loan and 100 rupees as your own. Okay, so if I want to calculate the debt equity ratio of an individual, then what will be the debt equity ratio? 50 by 100. मतलब डेट कितना लिया है आपने? 50 रुपया, और आपका खुद का पैसा कितना है? 100 रुपया. So 50 by 100 which comes to 0.5. So that is how we calculate debt equity ratio. ठीक है. So हमने देखा है कि debt equity ratio of 0.3 to 1 is okay. ठीक है. Obviously अगर 0 है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. ठीक है. So anything above 1 is should be seen with a very high level of what do we say, stringency. Okay, you should be very stringent if the company has a high debt equity ratio of greater than 1. अगर कंपनी का डेट इक्विटी रेशियो 1 से ज्यादा है, ठीक है, तो हमें उन पे बहुत ध्यान देना है. वी शुड ट्राई टू अवॉइड दोस कंपनीज. हमें वो कंपनीज को अवॉइड करना है जिसका डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो 1 से ज्यादा है. ठीक है, एंड बेटर और वी कैन से बेस्ट होगा अगर आप उस कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करें जिसका डेट टू इक्विटी रेशियो 0.5 से कम है. वी शुड ट्राई टू बी इन्वेस्टेड इन दोस कंपनीज who have debt equity ratio of less than 0.5 and return on equity of greater than 15. 0.3 का इंटरप्रिटेशन कंक्लूजन में बता रहा हूँ. 0.3 का कंक्लूजन ये है, the return on equity of the company should be greater than 15 and the debt equity ratio should preferably be less than 0.5. If it is less than 1, then it's also okay. Not a very big issue, but it should be less than 0.5 and less than 1 is okay. इक्विटी मतलब ओनर का कैपिटल. मिस्टर दत्त, इक्विटी मतलब ओनर का कैपिटल कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा? जो भी शेयर होल्डर्स फंड्स होता है ना बैलेंस शीट में, उसी को हम लोग इक्विटी बोलते हैं. जो भी शेयर होल्डर्स फंड होता है उसको हम लोग इक्विटी बोलते हैं. इज इट क्लियर मिस्टर दत्त? ओके, थैंक यू. यस मिस्टर प्रदीप, it's shareholders fund. Equity means shareholders fund, and debt equity ratio is also freely available in all the apps which are finance related. Okay, in the ratios or financial ratios section you will find it. Mr. Pataudi, ROE 15 के ऊपर, डेट इक्विटी रेशियो 0.5 के नीचे, 1 के नीचे है तो भी चलेगा. ठीक है. पॉइंट नंबर 3 का इंटरप्रिटेशन मैंने हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में भी बता दिया. आई होप एवरीवन इज क्लियर. आशीष जी ईपीएस के बारे में बताएंगे. ओके, मैनेजमेंट इन प्लेस, सिंपल बिजनेस एंड वैल्यूएशन. पॉइंट नंबर 6 इज ऑल अबाउट वैल्यूएशन. सो अगर आप उनका पॉइंट नंबर 1 से 6 जाएंगे, you should look at companies in this chronology. First of all, look at whether it is a large cap or mid cap. Okay, try to avoid small cap. Small cap भी चल सकता है, लेकिन if you are new in the markets, avoid small cap for now. ठीक है, focus on large and mid cap. Point number 1. Point number 2, earnings growth होना चाहिए, इसको मैं और डिटेल में बताऊंगा. Point number 3, ROE greater than 15, debt equity less than 1, and 0.5 is better. No, Mr. That is wrong. Equity is not same as market cap. Those two are different things. ठीक है? If you do not know what is equity and market cap, just Google it once, because I cannot go to the very basics. Then the discussion will be very vague. Okay, I am here to talk about what is and how is quality stocks being picked over here, and how Mr. Buffett is doing it. Okay, so coming to point number 4 and 5, we will discuss it. Let me just make it clear, valuation should be the last thing to see, and since P ratio is a very common valuation parameter, it's the very last thing that you should see in your journey when you are selecting whether a company is a quality or not. Okay, don't judge anything by P ratio. Okay, सबको P ratio के बारे में पता है, तो सब P ratio को एकदम जोर शोर से देखना चालू कर देते हैं. ये 15 का P, ये 5, ये 0, ये 1, ये 100, ये 10. P ratio is the worst and the last thing. Okay, P ratio is not going to be a very important parameter when you are deciding whether to buy a stock and whether it is a quality stock or not. Okay, so valuation as a whole is the last thing to see when you are going to buy a stock. Okay, just remember this point. That is why also Mr. Buffett has written it at number 6, not at number 1. ठीक है, इनका जो पॉइंट नंबर 1 से 6 लिखा गया है ना, ये भी इन्होंने सोच के लिखा है कि सबसे पहले मैं क्या देखता हूँ, दूसरे नंबर में क्या देखता हूँ. ओके, so coming to point number 4 and 5. Point number 6, I hope it is clear. It's about valuation, and it is the last thing that you should see, and that is why also he has written it at number 6, not at number 1. And what we people do, we first of all look at valuation. That is why we fail and he is succeeding. Okay, so valuation is the last thing to see. Okay, just remember this point. Let's now discuss point number 4 and 5. So point number 4 and 5 is about, we should be able to understand what the business is doing. It should not be a black box to us. हम लोग को समझ में आना चाहिए कि कंपनी कर क्या रहा है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हमें कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है और बस हम लोग कंपनी में पैसा लगा दे रहे हैं. दैट इज पॉइंट नंबर 5. पॉइंट नंबर 4 में इनडायरेक्टली ये कम्युनिकेट किया जा रहा है कि कंपनी में सेल्स ग्रोथ एंड फ्री कैश फ्लो होना चाहिए. ठीक है, पॉइंट नंबर 4 इज इनडायरेक्टली कम्युनिकेटिंग टू अस दैट कंपनी शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर सेल्स ग्रोथ and proper free cash flow. Company should have cash in place in order to mitigate uncertainties that surrounds its business. Free cash flow का मतलब क्या होता है? Free cash flow का मतलब होता है कंपनी के पास कैश आता है, after doing business company gets some cash, कंपनी को कुछ खर्चा करना पड़ता है as capital expenditure, मतलब कंपनी को अपना मशीनरी मेंटेन करने के लिए कुछ खर्चा करना पड़ता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. द कंपनी हैज टू एक्सपेंड सम अमाउंट ऑफ द मनी दैट इट गेट्स आफ्टर डूइंग बिजनेस. इट नीड्स टू एक्सपेंड दैट टू मेंटेन इट्स कैपेसिटी. ओके, so that is called capital expenditure. So when you reduce the cash flows that company gets from doing business, okay, and you reduce it by the capital expenditure that the company should do in order to be able to do the business in the following year. Okay, if you reduce these two amounts, that is called free cash flow. So अगर formula wise जाएं तो cash flow from operations minus purchase of fixed assets is what we call free cash flow. अगर आप formula के हिसाब से देखें, cash flow from operations उसका technical term है जो आपको balance sheet में cash flow statement में मिलेगा. ये term cash flow from operations, अगर आप उससे purchase of fixed assets घटाएंगे तो जो balance figure बचेगा उसको हम लोग बोलेंगे free cash flow. That is what is point number 4 is all about. So concluding all the points 1 to 6. Okay, I am going through point number 1 to 6 in a short and crisp manner. हम लोग point number 1 से 6 तक जा रहे हैं. short में बता रहा हूँ. We have discussed point number 1 to 6 in detail. point number 1 है large and mid cap में सोचना है, आपको दिमाग लगाना है. point number 1 is about कि you have to only look at into first large and mid cap, think about small cap later. First master this the 6 points, then you can change it, or you can bring in some changes in your technique so that you can also apply it in small cap. First focus on large and mid cap, पहले large and mid cap पे ही focus कीजिए, ये point number 1 बता रहा है. Point number 2, प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ होते रहना चाहिए कंपनी में. 5 से 10 साल का डेटा देखना है कंपनी का. देयर शुड बी अर्निंग्स ग्रोथ हैपनिंग in the company for the last 5 to 10 years. Okay, we will tell you how to do it and how to check it. Okay, point number 3, company should have a return on equity greater than 15 and the debt equity ratio should be less than 0.5, preferably. If it is less than 1, then it is also okay. Okay, point number 4, point number 4 is about sales growth and free cash flow. Okay, the free cash flow should be there with the company and the company should have a proper sales growth for the last 5 to 10 years. ठीक है. Point number 5 is you should understand what the company is doing. If you are black box, you cannot understand it, then don't invest in such businesses. Okay, that is why he has written that he does not invest in technology, because he did not understand it at that time. This is a 2017 report. Now, right now it's 2021. Okay, and number 6 and the last thing to see is valuation. Okay, so 1 to 5 is a journey, 6 is a figure. ठीक है. I will tell you that first of all हमने decide कर लिया क्या देखना है, then we will go into figures. Mr. Mangesh, first of all let's decide हमें देखना क्या है, उसके बाद हम लोग देखेंगे कि कितना देखना है. ठीक है. So it's a very simple approach. You have to, end of the day, if I conclude it, it's in my fingertips: sales growth, EPS growth, free cash flow, ROE and debt equity. Bas, only 5 things, and it's a quality. You can get to know, you get a 85 to 90% of the idea that the company is quality. Okay, 85 to 90% of the journey is completed by just going to the quantitative profile of the company. 85 to 90% of the times you should know कि ये 5 चीज से आपको पता चल गया ये क्वालिटी है. ठीक है, आपका 90% काम हो गया. Now that 10% और 5% that is a qualitative part. उसके लिए आपको annual report और वो सब पढ़ना होगा. And I think most of you over here won't have the time to do it. So if you just go through this 4 to 5 points, I think your selection is very, very good and very, very safe. Okay, so what we have done, first of all let me show you one thing. Since what I have done is, over here you can see I have marked those periods when the market has fallen very fiercely. Okay, and there have been times when market has also risen very, very fiercely. Okay, so what we have done is we have tested what he has said. Okay, ये जो लिखा है इन्होंने, वॉरेन बफेट ने, वो हमने टेस्ट किया है. Yes, Mr. Bansal, you may know it, but there are 130 people right now in this group, so I have to touch upon everything and then we can go to picking part. Mr. Gaurav, okay, so please bear with me for 5 to 10 minutes. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया है, you can see it's mentioned over here the dates. ठीक है, we have tested his strategy for the last 5 years and we have seen how he has performed and what has been the worst case scenario. Okay, so this is the worst case scenario that we have seen in his portfolio if we apply his words in the Indian markets. Okay, in inka words quality hai, most of us I think would agree with it. There are 134 people in this group, so मेरे हिसाब से 120 people को तो agree करेंगे ही कि वॉरेन बफेट जो बोल रहा है it has some sense and he is talking about quality. ठीक है, इन्होंने पैसा भी ऐसे ही कमाया है. ओके, सो देयर इज नॉट वेरी ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन व्हाट ही सेज एंड व्हाट ही डज. ओके, सो ये देखिए आपके स्क्रीन पे अवेलेबल है कि व्हाट हैज बीन हिज परफॉर्मेंस when the during this period that has been highlighted on the screen, and what has been the worst case drawdown, okay, year on year when you invest as per his strategy. Okay, so यहाँ पे देखिए 6 जून 15 से 6 जून 16 मार्केट 3% से बढ़ा और इनका पोर्टफोलियो 27% से बढ़ा. सिमिलरली if you go to 6 June 16 to 6 June 17, market has risen by 23% and his portfolio has also risen by 23%. Okay. Now coming to COVID period, जहां पे टेस्ट होता है कि उनके पोर्टफोलियो में क्वालिटी है कि नहीं. From 6th June 19 to 24th March 20, market has fallen by 36%. Okay, if anyone has any doubts, they can go and check over here. They can find it. कि market actual में 36% गिरा है. If anyone has doubt, I hope no one has that doubt. 6 June 19 से 24 मार्च 20 निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स गिरा है 36% और उनका पोर्टफोलियो गिरा है केवल 18%. So you can see the outperformance of 50%. ओके, ये है पावर ऑफ क्वालिटी जो मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि why this strategy is working and will continue to work. Why? Because falling markets में इनका कोई जवाब नहीं है और राइजिंग मार्केट्स में भी इन्होंने परफॉर्म किया है. हाउ कैन आई से दैट? लुक एट दिस परफॉर्मेंस इन 6 June 17 to 6 June 18. बाजार 10% बढ़ा है, इनका पोर्टफोलियो 40% बढ़ा है. मंदी का तो बात करके एकदम फायदा नहीं है. -9% पे 16%. नो आंसर फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली यू कैन से आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इनका जो परफॉर्मेंस है, इनका जो थिंकिंग है, और ये जो आप देख रहे हैं 35 का 41, this that you are seeing on the screen, ये अभी भी बाकी है. We are going to hold this portfolio till 7 June 21. So let's see how it performs this year. Okay, his portfolio is right now 35 positive and the market is 41. We are close to the market. Let's see how it performs. But to conclude, quality is over a period of time, quality is always going to outperform bad quality stocks, because when the market falls, your stocks which are not categorized as quality as per the parameters mentioned by Warren Buffett, your stocks will fall by 50% or 60% maybe. Okay, and from 50 to 60% fall, it has to recover by 100% so that it comes to your cost. ठीक है, I hope this point is very clear. If you buy a stock at 100, okay, and when the market falls, your stocks comes to 50, your cost is 100. So from 50 you need 100% change so that you get back to your cost price, and after that we will think about profits. ठीक है, आपका स्टॉक को अपना लो से 100% बढ़ना होगा, तब जाके आपका कॉस्ट आएगा. प्रॉफिट तो दूर की बात है. ठीक है, so that is why we say, or what we have learned from gurus like Warren Buffett and what they people also say in TV or wherever you see them, कि क्वालिटी में ही इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. इफ यू गो एंड लुक एट सक्सेसफुल पीपल इन इंडिया लाइक नीलेश जैन, okay, he is the head of the Kotak AMC section. He has said in his interview in CNBC that invest in quality, quality and quality. Don't do anything else. अगर आप आज देख रहे हैं टाटा स्टील या टाटा मोटर 100% रिटर्न दिया है, ठीक है, अच्छा बात है, लेकिन जब बाजार करेक्ट करेगा ना, वही 100% फट से 50% होगा, 20% होगा और खत्म हो जाएगा बात. And if you look at the historical charts of such non-quality companies, you will also find this. They have a system of going in a bell-shaped price movement. You will see there. क्या होगा? बाजार के साथ बढ़ेगा और बाजार के साथ ऐसे गिर जाएगा. और if you look at quality companies like Asian Paints, Abbott India, they will rise like anything. Okay, even when the market corrects, they will fall very less, and this is evident by what we have shown over here, that I have highlighted on the screen. And when the market rises, they will also perform very well. Okay, so this is the whole thing that I want to communicate to the participants over here, कि quality में invest कीजिए और आप देख लीजिए उसका performance भी आपके सामने है कि how have they performed. Coming to the questions, कि what are the exact numbers that we have to check. So what we have done for that, so this is our app and it's also available in iOS, and this is our website valuestocks.in. We have made a quality business score. हमने एक तो quality business score बनाया है, ये आपको मिलेगा हम लोग के ऐप में और iOS वर्जन में भी है, और ये वेबसाइट है हम लोग का valuestocks.in. So if you go to this section, select winning stocks with QBS. QBS क्या है? Quality business score. So let's, can anyone give me the name of the company that they think is quality? Can I have a name of a company that people think right now that it's a quality stock? Infosys, Care, PL, Asian Paints, IRCTC. Okay, Reliance, Kotak Mahindra. Okay, so let's take HDFC. Okay, so if you type HDFC, you will get to this section. Know the quality business score of HDFC. Okay, so this is a holding company. ठीक है. So over here, it's a moderate company. Okay, you can see this category over here. हमने क्या किया है, जो मैंने आपको बताया था, पहले तो डिस्कस करते क्या क्या बताया था. यही मैंने आपको बताया था कि 4 चीज देख रहे हैं. 5 साल का आरओई, 5 साल का कैश फ्लो, 5 साल का सेल्स एंड ईपीएस ग्रोथ. So if you add them up, you get a figure of approximately 20. Okay, 5 years of ROE gives 5 years of cash flow, 5 years of sales growth, and 5 years of EPS growth. You get a score of 20. And if you include the recent quarter sales growth and EPS growth, you get a score of 22. Each year and each parameter has a score of 1. Okay, so from that, in that fashion, we get a total score of 22 that has been mentioned over here. ओके, सो 22 का स्कोर है, एक साल और एक पैरामीटर का एक स्कोर है. मतलब ROE of 2016 is rated out of 1, ROE of 2017 is rated out of 1, and in that fashion you go for all the 4 parameters for 5 years. और जो क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स हैं, दो चीज देखते हैं क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स में, सेल्स ग्रोथ और ईपीएस ग्रोथ. सो इन दैट फैशन वी गेट अ स्कोर ऑफ 22. नाउ वी सी, व्हाट डू वी सी, हाउ डू वी स्कोर इट. ओके, Mr. Sharath, you will not get the recording of this video. Okay, this webinar, it's only available to those who are paid subscribers. Okay. Okay, Mr. Smita, we can go to Care, no issues. Okay, so it has a score of 15. ठीक है. So हमने क्या किया है, what we have done, if the company has ROE of 15 in the last 5 years, we rate it out of 5. Out of 5 last 5 years, how many years Care has a ROE of greater than 15. Okay, if it has ROE of 15 in the last 4 years, okay, we get a score of 4 out of 5. Okay, I am going to stick to Care. I cannot keep changing the company. Okay, we will only discuss this one company. Okay, then we are going to take questions. Okay, so हम देखते हैं लास्ट 5 साल में से कितना साल इसका आरओई 15 के ऊपर है. वी चेक out of last 5 years how many years the company has reported ROE of greater than 15. Okay, so you can see over here in the financial year 1920 ROE was 16, 18-19 में 24 था, 17-18 में years it has reported of ROE greater than 15, so we give a 5. Okay, free cash flow same चीज करना है. Sales growth and EPS growth, sales growth and EPS growth should be positive, that's it. Okay, no figures over there. If the current year sales growth is greater than previous year sales growth, it gets a score of 1, and in that fashion we do for sales growth and EPS growth. So you can see over here it's negative, it's negative, 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 positive, positive, and in that fashion we have scored them out of 5 for sales growth, for EPS growth, for ROE, and for free cash flow, and thus we get a score of 20. Okay, and in the latest quarter we see what has been the sales and EPS growth. So you can see over here that EPS growth is positive but sales growth is negative, so we have given a 0 and a 1. So in that fashion out of 22 we come to a figure that the company has been able to check out 15 out of the 22 parameters that are available. So the company has a score of 15, and what do we say? If the company has a score of 15, it's a good stock. If a company has a score of ranging from 18 to 22, it's a winning and great stock. So right now there are 205 such companies who are either a winning or a great stock. Okay, and CARE is not one of them. It's a good company. Okay, so in this fashion we rate whether a company is a quality company or not. I hope this point is clear to everyone. QBS का लॉजिक सबको क्लियर है कि क्या लॉजिक है. 4 पैरामीटर ही देख रहे हैं, सिंपल है, and we have made a score for it. अगर आपको ये समझ में नहीं आता, if you do not understand still what is QBS, you just think it like that. If the score is higher, then it's a good company. If the score is lower, it's a bad company. As simple as that. Not a very complex thing. Now the problem that comes in second phase, and I'm going to talk about it in short, and then we are going to talk about questions. Even if certain companies are quality, they do not perform. Okay, but it's a fundamental score, Mr. Smita, and we are going to talk about technical score right now. That was what I was talking about. Okay, even if a company is fundamentally good, अगर company fundamentally अच्छा है, QBS high है, still वो perform नहीं करता है, ऐसा होगा ही और हो ही सकता है. Okay, there is no holy grail in markets कि यही एक चीज है जो 110% काम करेगा ही. So a company like ITC, it's a quality company. Okay, उसका score is ranging from 18, approximately 18 right now. It's still not increasing. Why? So for that, what we have done, we have created alpha generator score. I hope most of you over here know what is alpha. Alpha क्या होता है? अगर आप मार्केट को बीट करते हैं, ठीक है, तो आप कितना परसेंट से बीट करते हैं, उसको हम लोग अल्फा बोलते हैं. If you calculate by how much percent a stock has beaten the market, by market I mean Nifty 50. अगर आपका stock, if your stock is beating Nifty 50 by a certain percentage, we call that percent as alpha. Suppose during the last 1 year, Nifty has given a return of 50% and your stock has given a return of 60%. Okay, then we can say that your stock has created an alpha of 10%. Okay, so your return minus the market return is called alpha, and for this purpose, market is Nifty 50. So what we have done, we have taken last 20 quarters of data, okay, and we have calculated whether the stock has been able to outperform the markets or not. If no, then we can say that the quality of the company is great, but the technical price momentum aspect of the stock is not so good at the moment. Okay, so we have captured your point, Mr. Smita, Miss Smita, that if the company has momentum and quality, then it's a superb way to earn returns. You invest in that company and you will get astonishing returns in your portfolio. So that thing is only for paid subscriber right now. Okay, it's not here over here right now. Here you will only find quality. So if you people want to know whether your portfolio has quality stocks or not, you can check into this website. Okay, this is a free thing, it's available to all. You can check your portfolio over here. And what we have done is, see, we are here to help the retailers and those people who do not understand the market, yet they want to gain or understand कि मैं कैसे पैसा कमाऊं, how do I earn money in the markets. So what we have done is, we have created this. We have created a free one-to-one training for everyone. So if you want to know more about QBS and if you want to know about your portfolio or how can you gain from this knowledge, so what we have done, we have created this page where our person will, you can book your timings over here when you are free. Okay, you will get a training with our person and he will guide you कि what is the current status of your portfolio. आपके portfolio में अभी कैसे stocks हैं ये आपको पता चलेगा. What you can do from now onwards, आप कैसे उसको exit करेंगे, नए stocks में enter करेंगे, ठीक है. ये आपको ये 130 लोग जो अभी इस ग्रुप में हैं उनको ये केटर करने के लिए हम लोग ने ये सर्विस दिया है और इट्स फ्री. ओके, इट्स फ्री। आपको बस जाना है, आपको डिस्कशन करना है हमारे आदमी के साथ, ठीक है। वो आपको गाइड करेगा कि राइट नाउ आपका पोर्टफोलियो कैसा है और आप क्या एंटर या एग्जिट करेंगे जिससे आपका पोर्टफोलियो बेटर होगा। Is the screen visible now? Yes. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you to the participants who are replying. No, right now you will be able to see this login and register. Is the screen visible right now? It's not logged. Over here you can see. Okay, so continuing to the point where we left, what we have done is after making QBS, we got to know that certain companies, in spite of having a good QBS, were not able to perform in the markets. So for that, what we did is we came up with alpha generator score. I explained what is alpha. Just to sum it up, alpha means the return, the percentage return by which the company is beating the Nifty 50 return. Okay, the percentage return by which the company is beating the Nifty 50 return. So for example, if Nifty 50 has risen by 50% and your company has risen by 60%, then alpha generated is 10%. Okay, so accordingly for the last 20 quarters, we have checked whether the company has been able to beat Nifty or not. Okay, this product is paid, so you'll not be able to check it. We will able to only be check it at this one-to-one free training, or if you become a paid subscriber. So what we have seen is, see, trust is not built based on one webinar. It requires perseverance from your end and also from our end. So what we have done is we have created this one-to-one training so that people can get in touch with us and get to know our product and also get their queries sought out, and you will understand what we have made for you. What you need to do is you just need to register yourself for this one-to-one training and get in touch with us. We will help you with your problems in your portfolio, check it out for you, and if you find that the product is valuable to you, it's going to help you in your journey to be a successful investor, then you can subscribe to our strategies or subscribe to the app. So what I am doing is I am going to the link in the chat, and those of you who are interested, they can get in touch with us. They can register time as per your convenience, and we can see how we can solve all your issues regarding to portfolio management. If anyone has any questions regarding QBS, then and AGS, I am open for questions right now. Anyone has any questions? Not right now, Smita ji. It's only you will be able to see it at them. They will help you, but it's not a free product, so we cannot show it right now. You register for one-to-one, there we will be able to help you. The page will look something like this. There is some issue with internet. Yes, Mahesh ji. You can shoot questions at me. Video is not possible. There is some issue with the camera. Please excuse us for that. All the NSE listed companies, whoever is asking this question, how many companies have you mapped? Anyone has any questions? Charges as a minimum 5,000. Mr. Dharmesh Parekh. You can check out the pricing and subscriptions section of the app. The one-to-one link has been sent. Those who want to register for one-to-one, they can click on this link and get it checked. If some of you are having any internet issues, it is because of the issue in the area. Okay, I think this issue is all over India right now. It's not just our end. Yes, Mitaji, you will get to see technical score in the app, but it's not free. You will either have to be a paid subscriber or you need to register for one-to-one. There you will get to know the technical score. It's basically alpha generator score in our terms. Anyone has any questions? If they want, people want, they can register for one-to-one. Due to some technical issues related to internet and everything, I could not complete the webinar properly. So they can register for one-to-one and get their queries answered. QBS is good. Whoever is asking this question, अगर QBS अच्छा है और AGS भी अच्छा है, if QBS is also good and AGS is also good, then those are the best companies, sir. So that is why we have made AGS. अगर आप ITC जैसा कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, just looking at the QBS, the problem that you will face is कि आपको लगेगा परफॉर्म क्यों नहीं कर रहा, आपने तो बोला था परफॉर्म करेगा, इसलिए तो हमने AGS लेके आया. I think Pradeep ji is asking this question. So हमने क्या किया है? We have merged QBS and AGS. We understand if we look these two things together, we are going to get to a reasonable conclusion. AGS is calculated, sir. Get register for one-to-one. AGS basically होता है कि if company is beating Nifty, we give it a score of 1, and we do the same thing for last 20 quarters. So that is how AGS is calculated out of 20. QBS 22 के out of 22 calculate होता है प्रदीप जी, और AGS out of 20 होता है. 20 का मतलब 20 quarters है. अगर quarter on quarter company is beating Nifty 50, then we give a score of 1 per quarter. So we do the same thing for last 20 quarters, and thus we get a score of maximum 20. We can get a score of maximum 20, not more than that. AGS of, we have seen that AGS of approximately 10, 12 and above is very good. 10 and above is decent. The maximum AGS that we have seen is around 15, 16. One such company is Vinati Organics. It has one of the highest AGS. If people have any more questions related to portfolio, they can register for one-to-one. अगर आपको और in-depth चाहिए knowledge, you can register for one-to-one. If you have any doubts regarding QBS, AGS, आपके सारे questions का आंसर one-to-one में है. मैं अकेला यहाँ पे 50 और 100 लोग का डाउट अकेला क्लियर नहीं कर सकता. If anyone has any questions related to quality business score or alpha generators code, they can ask me in the chat. There are 50 people in the group. The discussion is over. I am here for questions. If you do not have any questions, you can register for one-to-one, or you can leave the group, because I am not going to tell anything new. I have discussed all the topics. Or those who still have question how to pick quality stocks, if anyone has, simple है, जिसका QBS score अच्छा है, that is quality stock. Go for stocks which are 18, 19 and above. वो सारे quality stocks हैं. If you still have doubt, register for one-to-one. आज का seminar थोड़ा सा disturbed हो गया due to technical issue. This is the first time that we are having this type of issue. And what we are getting to know, this problem is all over India. It's not only in our city, that is Kolkata. I am sending the link for one-to-one in chat. Please register for one-to-one. All your doubts will be cleared there. And if anyone still has any doubts about QBS, AGS, they can ask me right now through chat. I hope that I have been able to answer your questions till now reasonably well. If anyone has any questions, please ask me in the group now. Yes, Mitaji. Thank you, Mr. Fernandez. Register for one-to-one if you have any doubts regarding the product or portfolio. Thank you, Mr. Nathan. This is the one-to-one. This page, you can choose your time and date at your convenience. There are still 36 people in the group. Anyone has any questions, please ask. The webinar was till 5:45. So all the topics have been covered. People can register for one-to-one. The link is in the chat. If you have any questions, please ask me. The link is in the chat for one-to-one. There are 36 people in the group. If you would like to leave, you can leave, because there are not going to be any new topics to be discussed. If anyone has any questions, they can ask me. I'm going to end the webinar in 5 minutes. Thank you, Mr. Ashok. You can register at your convenience. जो आपको सही लगे, जो टाइम आपको ठीक लगे, आप उस टाइम पे रजिस्टर कर लीजिए. वन टू वन लिंक आई एम सेंडिंग कंटिन्यूसली इन द चैट. मैं वन टू वन लिंक भेज रहा हूँ. जिनको रजिस्टर करना है वो कर सकते हैं. And those who are not interested, they can also leave the group, because we are not going to discuss anything new. I'm going to end the webinar in 5 minutes. अभी भी 30 people लोग हैं. 30 people are still there in this webinar. If you don't have any questions and have or not interested in QBS and AGS, then you can also leave the group. We do not have any new topics to be discussed. Okay, since there are no questions, I have for the last 5 to 10 minutes, I think I have answered all the questions there are. I'm ending the webinar. Thank you everyone, and sorry for the technical issue. I hope you have a great day.